Welcome! In this updated guide, we will explore how to fix Facebook app not working issues. Follow these top ways to troubleshoot and resolve problems when the Facebook app is not functioning properly. 1. Check your connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for the Facebook app to work seamlessly. A strong connection is essential for accessing and using the app effectively. 2. Update Facebook to the latest version. Make sure to update the Facebook app to the most recent version available. Updates often contain improvements and bug fixes that can address issues with the app not working. 3. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone can help refresh its system and settings, potentially resolving any underlying problems causing the Facebook app to not work as expected. 4. Close and reopen Facebook. Close the Facebook app completely and then reopen it. This simple step can refresh the app and may help resolve issues preventing it from working properly. 5. Free up storage space. Ensure your device has adequate storage space available for the Facebook app to operate smoothly. Clearing unnecessary files can optimize app performance and resolve functionality issues. 6. Check permissions. Verify that the Facebook app has the necessary permissions enabled on your device. Granting permissions, such as access to storage and location, can enhance the app's functionality. 7. Background data. Enable background data for the Facebook app in your device settings. Allowing background data access can help the app function effectively and prevent issues with it not working. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Facebook app not working issues. Stay connected and engaged on Facebook without experiencing interruptions in app functionality. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you enjoy a seamless experience when using the Facebook app.